nice having you with us today.
Thank you.
Do you or you guys or your colleagues have any new projects ongoing at the moment that will use the same concept as we see today?
Right now we are planning for changing 8 units in 2 different schools, 1 primary school and 1 preschool.
Okay, so there's a lot of schools coming in the future.
That's correct.
What kind of feedback did you get from your students and your teacher with the new ventilation solution?
They're very satisfied with the solutions. It has been lower sound level, better indoor climate in generally, and they are feeling more alert as well.
Okay, and that supports a better learning ability, I guess.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, very nice to hear, because I think that checks all the boxes, because that was your intention from the beginning, is it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Krista, I want to thank you a lot for being with us today, and good luck with all the new projects in the future.
Thank you.
Okay.